Have you ever wondered how doctors ensure you stay completely asleep during surgery? This is where anesthesia awareness monitoring comes in. Anesthesia awareness, while rare, is a serious concern. It's when a patient becomes conscious during general anesthesia and can recall events. Though immobilized and unable to respond, a patient experiencing awareness might feel pain or hear conversations, leading to potential long-term psychological impact. Standard vital signs like heart rate and blood pressure don't always reliably indicate the depth of unconsciousness. Hence, specialized brain monitoring is crucial. The primary goal is to maintain an optimal level of general anesthesia, deep enough to prevent awareness, but not excessively deep, which can increase risks. Anesthesia awareness monitoring devices specifically measure the effects of anesthetic drugs on the brain, helping anesthesiologists accurately gauge the patient's level of unconsciousness. Monitoring allows anesthesiologists to titrate the anesthetic agent precisely, ensuring the patient is perfectly balanced between awareness and excessive anesthetic depth. These specialized monitors work by directly analyzing brain activity, specifically the electrical signals produced by the brain under the influence of anesthesia. The core technology used is electroencephalography, or EEG. This non-invasive method reads the tiny electrical impulses generated by the brain's neural activity. Small, disposable electrodes are strategically placed on the patient's forehead to capture these brainwaves, similar to how an ECG captures heart rhythm. Once captured, the raw EEG signals are complex and require advanced processing. The monitor uses proprietary algorithms to analyze patterns related to drug-induced unconsciousness. The raw brainwaves are converted into a simple, single number, known as a processed EEG index, such as BIS or entropy, making it easy for the anesthesiologist to interpret. These indices typically range from 0 to 100. A score of 100 indicates full consciousness, while a score of 0 indicates a flatline EEG or maximum brain suppression. The anesthesiologist interprets this index to make real-time adjustments to the anesthetic drug dosage throughout the procedure. For most surgical procedures under general anesthesia, the desired target range for the processed EEG index is between 40 and 60. This range is associated with a low probability of awareness. A score above 60 suggests the patient may be too light and at risk of awareness, while a score below 40 indicates deep anesthesia, which may be associated with prolonged recovery times. Anesthesia awareness monitoring is a critical tool that adds an extra layer of safety, offering objective data about the patient's true state of consciousness. Monitoring is continuous throughout the entire procedure, allowing the anesthesiologist to quickly respond to any changes in the patient's brain activity. These modern safety standards in anesthesiology rely heavily on technology like processed EEG indices to ensure a safe, comfortable, and successful surgical experience for every patient.